I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. Start by warming the engine briefly, then park on level ground and set the parking brake. Drain the oil into a pan, remove and replace the oil filter, then reinstall the drain plug and refill with the specified oil amount. Check the dipstick, clean any spills, and properly dispose of used oil and filter at a recycling center. Begin draining by securing the truck on ramps or jack, stands for stability. Position the oil pan under the drain plug, then carefully loosen the plug using a socket while wearing gloves to avoid burns. Allow oil to flow until the stream thins and remove the oil cap to improve flow. Inspect the drain plug and crush washer, wipe the area clean, and prepare the new oil filter for installation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read repair manuals and shop for parts at the garage without bulky paper. It fits in a glove compartment and holds hundreds of PDFs, so it is handy during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and check the seal area for debris. Coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and thread it on by hand until snug, then follow torque recommendations. Reinstall the drain plug and refill the engine with the correct oil grade and volume, checking the dipstick frequently. Start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then recheck level and look for leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.